Baby bus.
I'm Babybus. Kindergarten is open. Let's go pick up our friends. We should take them to kindergarten. Let's go. Move the steering wheel and speed up.
Hi, Babybus.
Hi, Kiki. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Kiki is on the bus. Let's go. Next stop is the supermarket. Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light. We have arrived at the supermarket. Teacher asked us to buy some things and bring them to class.
Let's go buy some stationery and a Pick your cart. I want to bring these to class. Let's go get them. Yes, it's what I was looking for. Quilt. Water bottle. Hand sanitizer. We haven't finished shopping. Please look for the missing thing. Pencil cup. Pencil case. School bag. Put money in the drawer. Everything has been wired. Beep! We have finished shopping. Get on the bus.
Move the steering wheel and speed up.
Hi, Babybus.
Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Lulu is on the bus. Move the steering wheel and speed up.
Let's go take some photos. Let's go take
us to take a photograph and bring it to class.
Let's go take some photos. Wow, I like these clothes. Let me try them on. Turn on the light, please. Click the camera and take a photo of me. It's such a beautiful photo. Thank you. So many pretty clothes. What should I wear? Turn on the light, please. What a great photo. Thank you.